Welcome to another daily challenge of tips and tricks. Are you someone who is struggling to change the job? Or are you someone who don't have time to change the job? Or else even to appear in the interview? So let's discuss 8 tips. Let's discuss 8 tips to change the job. Let's discuss some tips which will help you to change the job in your busy schedule. So whenever you decide to change the job, number one thing, you have to commit to the change. Now, what does it mean? When you have mentally decided that you want to switch your career, you want to switch your job, then you have to create very full-fledged plan. You have to create step-by-step action plan, not dream plan. Action plan which will involve one action, two action, three action per day. Now, when I'm telling action plan, what does it mean? You should be very clear on your goal, where you want job, which company you are going to target, which kind of interview which you have to prepare. So this action plan you should be aware 100%. Action plan is more important than dream plan. So number one tips, commit to the change. And number two, when you decide to change the job, first and foremost thing, you should be very clear what you are going to do. And number two, you have to rewrite your resume. When you are clear with your goal, when you are clear with your industry, when you are clear with your organization, company, then you must be clear with your job description. And if you are clear with your job description, then you must be creating or crafting another amazing resume. For creating a resume, I have already video available in channel. Go ahead, download resume template, create your resume, recraft, recustomize, redraft your resume. Number one thing, goal plan, action plan. Number two, your resume. And number three, if you have any gap, if you have even 1 day gap also in your career, you should have a quantifiable example and you should have proof that what you have done in that gap. So there are people who don't have proof. So let me give you some example what you can include in your proof. You should have volunteer experience. If you don't have volunteer experience, this month I will be organizing free mock interview session where the winner of the mock interview will be gifted two things, my mentorship and my volunteership from my NGO. So if you have gap, you can avail this opportunity. Number three, you have to fill the gap, volunteership, freelancing, and you have to focus on gig economy. You have to focus on part-time job. If you have gap in your resume, then you should have justifiable answer and practical example ready with you. Number four, you have to leverage the power of cover letter. When I say leverage the power of cover letter, what does it mean? See, cover letter and resume both are different side of a coin and both is important. In India, it was not in the culture, but now it is coming slowly into the culture. Why cover letter is important? Because if you are using cover letter, you can personalize. There will be more personal touch in cover letter rather than resume. Let's suppose if you have drafted, crafted, created your resume, customize your resume. In your resume, you cannot mention the recruiter name. But in cover letter, you can address that person and you can personalize. And let's suppose I'm talking to you. I'll say, hey, my dear friend. And if I'm talking Mr. X, hi, Mr. X. Which one is more powerful? The second one, hi, Mr. X, is more powerful. So leverage the power of cover letter. It is very important. And the next one is more important. You should be brand. Now if I'm telling you should be brand, there are many people who are asking with me when I have given this suggestion, why brand is important. See, personal branding is very important because nowadays recruiters are checking your background by personal branding. Recruiters are checking your background by social media, by professional network. So your personal branding is very important. When I say personal branding is important, two things you have to focus. Number one, you have to create very amazing LinkedIn profile. And number two, you should clean your social media. It's very important. No negative comment, no negative posting, no political post. If you want to be a brand, you have to be a brand. And number six, you have to see, there are many people. Before I talk about number six, let me tell you one example. There are many people who are too much comfortable in the current job. They are in comfort zone. And let me tell you, my dear friend, comfort zone is a cancer. They are in comfort zone. They don't have time or they don't have guts to appear in the interview. And they are in comfortable area. They are in comfort zone. If you are also in comfort zone, then you have to taste the water. When I say you have to taste the water, what does it mean? You have to come out of your comfort zone, work on your online portfolio, job portfolio, and start applying the job. Number one, you are already in comfort zone. If you are getting job, good. Not getting job, good. But you have to taste the water. By luck, by hard work, let's suppose if you got selected in another organization, you are already out of your comfort zone. So you have to focus on tasting the water also. You have to taste the water at any cost. And next one is the preparation. Number 7 is the preparation. You have to prepare for the interview in full-fledged manner. When I say you have to prepare for the interview in full-fledged manner, what does it mean? You should know which kind of question they are going to ask. You should know which kind of question you are going to encounter during the interview and be prepared for those questions already. So the answer is, the solution of this problem is, this month, last Saturday, I am going to organize free mock interview session. As soon as the link will be open, go ahead, register yourself and leverage the power of mock interview session. Multiple benefit in one place. You can be the volunteer, you can be the mentee, you can prepare for mock interview. Even you can win some goodies and gift also. It's free because it's from an NGO. And last but not the least, practice makes everyone perfect. And if you feel that you are in lack of practice, you will get good practice environment. And if you are not comfortable with the practice environment, you have to create the practice environment. What does it mean? It means you have to rehearse well. You have to rehearse well in front of the mirror, in front of your family, in front of your friends, in front of your colleagues, so that the more you rehearse, the more you will get result. So these are the 8 tips to change the career, to get the good job, to appear in the interview. Let me repeat one by one. Number 1, you have to commit to the change. You have to rewrite your resume. You have to fill the gaps. Number 4, you have to work on your cover letter. Number 5, you have to work on your personal branding. Number 6, you have to taste the water. And number 7, you have to prepare for the interview. And last but not the least, you have to rehearse well. You have to do proper practice. And there are many people who are saying their resumes is not even getting shortlisted. There are people who are saying that they are not getting interview calls. So let me tell you, my dear friend, the answer of this is resume. If your resume is perfect, you can get shortlisted, you can get the job in one single click, just like this. And to support you, to give you good learning environment, I have created one very good sample, one very good template for resume. Link is below in the description. Go ahead, click the link and check which template is good. Actually, it's only one template. Go ahead, download the template and create your an amazing resume. You can send it to me for the review. I would love to help you. And you have to check your ATS score. ATS score is the one who will shortlist you. Your resume will be reaching out to ATS first rather than the recruiter. There is no human touch until and unless it will not be shortlisted with the ATS. So create the resume, download the resume, create the resume, send for review and win the game of interview. Thank you so much guys. Keep learning, keep signing. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.